Guys, it's very important to note that I'm going to be performing on the opposite leg to what I say in order to make it easier for you at home to follow by mirroring me.
Hi guys, okay, Ashton here. I'm now going to show you how to perform a beginner reel. A beginner reel consists of about 3 movements. That's a jump 2-3, a hop and your sevens, and then it also consists of a lead round, a first step and a second step. So I'm going to take you through each of those parts and then we'll see them all joined together at the end. Okay, let's get started.
So let's start by pointing that right toe, lifting that right leg up and jumping over. Very good. Let's repeat that again. Excellent. Okay, make sure those arms are in tight. Tight to your side. Now point that right toe, lift your right leg up and jump onto it, putting the left foot down in front. Very good. Let's try that again. Okay, point that right toe, lift your right leg up, jump onto it and put the left foot down in front. Very good. Okay, let's try now the left foot. So arms in tight, point that left toe, lift that left leg up, jump onto it and pop the right foot down in front. Very good. Let's try that again now. Okay, point that left toe, lift that left leg up, jump onto it and pop the right leg down in front. Okay, let's try it again. Lift that left leg up, jump onto it and pop the right leg down in front. Now we're going to try something called the hop. So point that right toe, lift your knee up and hop. Very good. Let's try that again. Okay, heels together, point your right toe, lift that right leg up, hop. Very good. Okay, one more time and hop. Excellent. Now we're going to do something called the sevens. So we're going to start with the hop. Hop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's try that again, shall we? Right, so we're going to keep those arms in tight, heels together, point that right toe, lift that right leg up and hop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you keep moving that back leg behind. Right, okay. Now we're going to try this on our tippy toe. So point that right toe and hop and go up on those toes and count the sevens out as you move along. Okay, let's try that again. So heels together, point that right toe and we're going to hop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Point that right toe, up we go, hop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. Okay, now we're going to try the lead round slowly. We're not going to do this on our toes at this point. We're just going to walk through it. So we're going to do 8 of these now. Right foot, left foot. Jump 2, 3, jump 2, 3. 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 Very good. Now we're going to walk through the first step. Again, not on our toes at this point. Just walking through it. So we're going to start with a hop. Hop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lift that right foot up and over we go, popping the left foot down in front. Now lift that left leg up, jump, 2, 3, right foot again, jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left leg up, jump, 2, 3 and right leg up. Jump, 2, 3. Now we're going to repeat on the left foot. And hop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left leg up. Jump, 2, 3. Right leg up. Jump, 2, 3. Left foot up. Jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right foot up. Jump, 2, 3 and left foot up. Jump, 2, 3. Very good. Now we're going to try this for the second step. This has 3 hops at the beginning. So, right foot up, hop, 2, 3. Hop, 2, 3. Hop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. right leg up, jump, 2, 3, left foot up, nice and pointed, jump, 2, 3, right foot up, jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, repeat on the left foot, hop, 2, 3, hop, 2, 3, hop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left foot up, jump, 2, 3, right foot up, jump, 2, 3, left foot up, jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Now we're going to try the whole dance joined together on our tippy toes.
Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and now you'll be able to practice your beginner reel at home along with me.